Well, green beer goes with St. Patrick's Day, but of course it's different again this year, but we can still celebrate that and spring. Nicki Laborie from Bar Reyna and also Nicolle Chin-Lee join us this morning with some great cocktail ideas. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, you got such a great spot. How are you doing, by the way, with all the restrictions? I'm sure you can't wait for them to lift, but how have you been going along with, how have you transitioned?
I mean, it's been tough, of course, for every single restaurant that is in Toronto or in Ontario or in Canada, really. But we've managed to pivot quite a bit, and we've stayed alive, and we have some great support. We're in Yorkville and on King East. Both areas have neighborhoods that support us constantly. So, but we've pivoted a lot.
It's a great looking
Hence
spot.
the do-it-yourself cocktail kits.
Yes, yes, and we'll find out more about that. But tell us about everything that you offer up at Renyon King, and what's the vibe there?
Oh, well, the vibe's very cool. I always say both our places are very eccentric and friendly. And, I hire people based on personalities so that we can build relationships with our customers. To me, that's the most important part of what I do. It's a cool vibe, and we've got plants, and I don't know if you can see the ceiling, but it's people love it here.
Yeah, we can see some of the foliage hanging down. Okay, well, let's get Nicolle to work here. You got 3 cocktails for us?
We do.
Yeah, so I'm going to walk you through one of our cocktail kits. This cocktail is called the Fiesta and Bangkok. It's a nice, fun, spicy twist on a margarita. I have all the ingredients that will be included in the kit laid out here. Most of our kits will come with a combination of dry ingredients, fresh ingredients, along with syrups and liqueurs and any fresh citrus you need. For this cocktail, I've already juiced my limes. I'm going to grab my shaker. You can use any jar at home, anything with a lid to shake up the cocktail. I'm going to put my lime juice in here. I got my tequila. I got our house-made orange liqueur, which we make here. And then I got my agave syrup. I'm also going to grab the Thai basil, some cucumbers, the Thai chilies, which I'm going to crush because I love my margaritas spicy. Everything is inside. Going to give it a good shake.
So all these cocktails you can find them on, one of the pivots we did last year was to start a do-it-yourself cocktail kit website where you can buy these kits. This is one, and we have 2 more here. We have a Mobe Mule, which is a take on the classic Moscow Mule, but we added ginger and beets. So actually, when you pour the drink, it's quite beautiful because it's red. It's bright red. And then we also have It's All the Rage, which is a take on the Smash, the classic gin Smash. But we also add jam instead of sugar. So all of these are available for you to make at home, which has been really fun. We also now started doing bottled cocktails because it became legal. So we're also doing that.
Legal and convenient.
Then, yeah.
So how much are these kits, and how do we order them?
So it's ReynaOnTheRocks.com. And the kits range between $30 and $36 without the alcohol. If you want to add the alcohol, we add the alcohol, and we don't actually do a markup. So it's really affordable, and it allows you to take the bar home, which right now I think everybody enjoys.
Yes.
Because everybody's trying to get out again.
Yeah, absolutely. And will the menu, are you adding recipes? Does it change up?
It is. Right now we've maintained the recipes because we launched them in November, but we're in the process of doing spring recipes. And we're also going to use some of the cocktails that we serve in-house. So it's not always classics. They can be really complicated cocktails that you wouldn't normally be able to have at home.
Right.
We have a subscription where you can get wild cards every month. So we do create cocktails every month that we can send out that aren't on the list.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's cool.
Well, fantastic.
And then, yeah.
Oh, go ahead.
Sorry,
pour your drink.
Finish my margarita here.
Yeah, we've got about 30 seconds to finish up.
And then I know we were talking about St. Patrick's Day, and so we did this drink because it's a little bit green.
Yes, okay, close enough.
Close enough.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, Nicki and Nicolle, thanks so much for joining us, and we'll link up all your socials for Renyon King, and we look forward to visiting you when we get this thing behind us. To the next whiskey bar. Oh, don't ask
ask why. Show me